In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the IF and IFS functions in Google Sheets. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your spreadsheet skills, these functions are invaluable tools that can help you manage data more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, we'll go to Google Sheets. If you have Sheets open already, that's great. If not, simply type Google Sheets Login in your browser's search bar and hit Enter. Once there, sign in using your Google credentials. After logging in, open a new or existing sheet that you're working on. Having a clean sheet ready can make practicing these functions more straightforward, especially if you're still getting familiar with them. Now let's begin with the IF function. This function is designed to test a condition and return one value if that condition is true, and another if it's false. It's particularly useful for categorizing data based on specific criteria. To apply the IF function, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. With that cell selected, type in the formula, which typically looks like this: equals IF, open parenthesis, followed by condition, value if true, value if false, then close parenthesis. Replace condition with the specific test you're conducting. Value if true is what you want to appear if the test evaluates to true, and value if false is what should display if it evaluates as false. After you've entered this information, press enter and voila! You've successfully implemented the IF function. Next, let's explore the IFS function. This is a more advanced variant of the IF function, perfect for testing multiple conditions with more than two possible outcomes. The IFS function is a fantastic way to save time and present your data neatly, particularly when dealing with complex data sets. To begin using the IFS function, click on the desired cell for your formula, and type dt equals IFS, open parenthesis, followed by condition 1 and value 1, then condition 2 and value 2, and so on. You can add as many conditions and values as you need, just continue pairing them as needed. The first condition that turns out to be true will display its corresponding value. This function is incredibly powerful because it can replace multiple nested IF statements, making your formulas more readable and easier to manage. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to efficiently using the IF and IFS functions in Google Sheets. Whether you're looking to automatically categorize data, compute results based on conditions, or perform any number of dynamic spreadsheet operations, these functions are essential tools in your data management toolkit. With a little practice, you'll be using them seamlessly in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips on using Google Sheets. Happy spreadsheeting!